Hello and welcome to Jimmy Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your operation system from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardwares. First, we have to download the Windows 10 operation system file. So we open the browser and type Windows 10 download. We will use the installation media tool to download the Windows 10. You have to click accept. This is the way to download the Windows 10 setup. We are downloading it from the Microsoft.com, the official source. We have to click the option create installation media for another PC. Click next. Click next. I'm saving it as Windows 10. Well, and now we have to download the Windows 11 setup file. So just search on browser Windows 11 download. Download Windows 11 disk image. Select the Windows 11. Click download. Here we have to select the language. I'm choosing English. You may choose different. Click confirm. Click download. So the files is downloaded. I have downloaded the files before, so I have created a folder, upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. The downloaded files are here. Now we have to extract the files. I am extracting first Windows 10. The Windows 10 files are unzipped. Here is the folder with the files. Okay. Now we have to unzip the Windows 11 files. So, right click, extracted the Windows 10 files and Windows 11 files. So now we go to Windows 10 folder, source, and we will find the file install.asd file. We have to delete this file. So now we go back to the Windows 11 folder, source, and we find the file name it install install.vim. So we copy this file, and now we go to Windows 10 source and paste the file here. So here is the file we copied from Windows 11 folder, source folder. So now we go back. To start the process of upgrading to Windows 11, we have to double click the setup file. So as you can see, the process has started. We have to click to the option change how Windows setup downloads updates, and we have to select not right now. Click next. Here we have to accept the terms. Now we are ready to install. So we are going to install Windows 11 Pro, and also we are keeping personal files and applications. We can change here what we want to keep and what we don't. So for now these are okay. Now we click the install button. The process of installing has just started. This is the final purchase. We have to wait a few minutes before the all purchase finish. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more video tips. Well done! The process of upgrading of Windows 11 has just finished. This is the desktop of Windows 11. We are going to check the version of Windows now. So as you can see, Windows 11 Pro Edition. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you on my next videos.